Nebraska senators say more is needed to prevent domestic violence deaths and help survivors.
The Attorney General's office says there were 11 murder-suicides statewide last year. More than 13,000 survivors of domestic violence sought out help. But advocates say it's only a fraction of the number of people truly impacted.
As KETV News Watch 7's Maddie Augustine reports, that's why lawmakers say new legislation is vital.
In 2025, 30 people were killed in domestic abuse-related situations across the state, according to the Attorney General's office. Now, advocates and state leaders say it's time to implement changes that will help save lives.
9 state senators joined forces Wednesday to introduce a package of more than 10 bills, all aimed at different facets of domestic violence. They're focused on survivor support, prevention, early intervention, and accountability.
LB 876. That bill would allow law enforcement to initiate an immediate 72-hour protective order following a domestic or sexual assault and clarifies the service of final protection orders.
LB 818 strengthens the penalties for serious and repeat domestic assault and modernizes statutes addressing strangulation and reckless conduct.
Senator Carolyn Boston introduced 3 bills, including LB 1050. She says it will help close a modern loophole by addressing electronic stalking.
That being Apple AirTags, things of that nature, where the victim perhaps doesn't know that he or she is being tracked until it's too late.
Senator Elliot Bostar says his bill would provide financial support for survivor resources by redirecting tax exemptions for data centers.
And it removes those, and it takes those resources and puts it into funding for domestic violence and trafficking services.
Changes the Nebraska Coalition to End Sexual and Domestic Violence says are needed.
Our network of programs across the state have seen an increase in survivors served of about 6% from last year.
The Attorney General's Office Domestic Abuse Death Review Team says it's committed to identifying systematic gaps because these deaths impact entire communities.
From July 2022 through 2025, 7 children under the age of 19 were killed due to domestic abuse homicide. 16 children witnessed the violent death of a parent or a caregiver, and 49 children lost a parent, permanently altering the course of their lives.
Advocates and state leaders alike agree it's going to take a group effort to save lives.
This is a larger issue than any one of us or any one bill.
Despite much of this legislative session being focused on the state's budget, state senators tell me they are confident they can get these bills passed because they are bipartisan and will make an immediate impact. For anyone experiencing domestic violence, advocates say there is help available 24/7. You can call the hotline phone number on your screen right now or visit this article at KETV.com for other resources. Reporting in the Capitol, Maddie Augustine, KETV News Watch 7.